Welcome back to the channel, all you Zontes maniacs. If you're new to the channel, this is the only place on YouTube where you will find all you need to know regarding looking after your Zontes ride. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on new content uploads. So let's dive into this video. This coolant change procedure relates to all Zontes motorbike models that have a water pump on the right side lower front of the engine. This includes the new 200 cubic centimeters models, the 310 cubic centimeters models, and the 350 cubic centimeters models. This is easy to do yourself. Ensure you have ordered the green coolant. Warning! Only proceed when your engine is cold, as the coolant is under pressure. You will risk being scolded badly. Follow the video guide as it's all in the proper sequence. You will need a container to catch the old coolant. Firstly, locate your drain bolt on the lower part of the water pump. Generally, it has a copper washer. When you release this bolt, catch the small amount of coolant that comes out. Then, when you take off the radiator cap, be ready to catch all the remaining coolant. As you have released the vacuum, the coolant flows out. Once all the coolant has been emptied, replace the copper washer bolt. Then proceed to refill the radiator with new coolant. Once it's topped up, replace the radiator cap. Then start your bike for 5 minutes to get the bike up to temperature, which will ensure the coolant has circulated the whole engine and radiator. Let the bike cool down for 10 minutes. Then it's time to take off the radiator cap. Refill the radiator to the neck of the cap. Then replace the radiator cap. Now it's time to top up your expansion tank. Only half fill the expansion tank with coolant. This ensures space for any hot coolant to expand into. When you have done a few miles on your bike, check the expansion tank and top up if needed. You don't need to open the radiator cap. Well, that's it. You have accomplished your coolant change. I change my motorbike coolant every year. Your owner's manual will state when you need to do it. I hope this video was informative. So until next time, Mad Mick. While I have your attention on this video, our Zontes channel has over 2,000 videos on how to maintain, strip down and look after your Zontes motorbike or scooter, subtitled in English, French, Spanish and Chinese, on all the Zontes models. So please take a look on my channel homepage where all the bikes are in different playlists.
I'm coming for the throne.